huwag ka magalit, ano? Kasi marami na akong natatanggap ng mga, feedback from other people na pagdating sa promotions, dapat ang pinopromote yung lugar, hindi dapat yung tao. Kasi ang nangyari, ma'am, ang dating daw sa kanila, parang pinopromote mo yung sarili mo versus dapat yung Pilipinas ang pinopromote mo o yung mga probinsya ang pinopromote mo versus you promoting yourself. And then isa pa po, meron ditong promotion na kayo po ay nakasakay sa bangka and you're promoting the Philippines. So bakit hindi na lang po model na taga mismo native po sa lugar na yon, nakilala sa lugar na yon? Why you? Isa pa dito, meron sa isang pinakita sa amin na puro nakalagay frasco sa isang kahabaan, puro karinderya sa, I think, sa highway ba ito? Sa halip na ilagay niyo po yung karatula doon ng mga places na pwedeng bisitahin, ang nilagay niyo po doon, puro apelyido niyo po. Isa pa, sa nakikita ko, I'm very sorry, Secretary Frasco, parang lumilitaw na ikaw ay nagiging vlogger na it will not sell pag doon sa mga marketing materials natin, puro mukha mong nakalagay doon. It shouldn't happen kasi another thing one thing na na-notice ko, halimbawa, meron tong sa Japan ba ito? Magazine. I think it's a free magazine. Pagkakataon na sana natin na para sumikat tayo sa Japan, yung tourism industry natin, sa halip, nakalagay dito, ikaw, and then yung mga groundbreaking, pinapakita natin sa halip na dapat ipapakita natin yung underground river, 8 wonders of the world, yun, Tabon Cave, etc. Ang pinakita doon, kayo po at saka yung mga groundbreaking ceremony, which will not sell. If we want to sell something, pakita po natin yung mga tanawin o yung mga reasons why tourists will visit the country.
May I be given an opportunity to...
Yes, please.
Yes. As far as promotions is concerned, and which is our chief mandate, I would like to put on the record a matter that has been already clarified by the Department of Tourism. In that, the magazine that bore my image, called Philippine Topics, that was published in Japan and subsequently distributed for free, absolutely had no consent, funding, or information on the part of myself or on the part of the Department of Tourism. I did not pay for that magazine. No government funds were used for that magazine, and my consent was never obtained in the use of my image for that magazine.
Mr. Chair, thank you for that clarification, Secretary Frasco. You did say that you never gave your consent to this magazine, Japanese magazine, for your picture to be featured in this magazine, free magazine. So what did you do after you learned that they use your picture, your image, and all, and even some items here that describes who you are? So how did they know who you are without you or some of your people telling them? And what did you do after you've learned, for example, if it's really true what you're saying, that they were using your pictures without their consent? Did you do anything?
Yes, definitely, Mr. Senator. An immediate investigation was conducted upon my directive, and this is how we were able to find out that Philippine Topics magazine had sought permission to cover the Philippine Expo Pavilion in Japan. This was during the launch of the Philippine National Day of the country in Osaka Expo. And so they were given access to cover the Philippine National Day in Osaka. And my understanding is that the photo that was used as cover for the magazine was lifted from the coverage of that particular event. And the contents of the magazine are all lifted content. These are not the product of interviews that were conducted by them towards me, as there was never occasion
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
magazine.
I understand that. So, since may pag-amin po sa inyo na walang authority or you did not authorize them to use your pictures in this magazine, so para makabawi sila, bakit hindi nyo lang po kontakin ulit sila this time around with your authorization na mag-publish tayo ng mga magagandang tanawin sa Pilipinas, who we are, and what are the places that they can go. It's free anyway, you said, right? So why not contact them? Parang quits na tayo. Sige, nilagay nyo kami dyan ng walang paalam. Ngayon naman, may paalam na kayo, pero itong ilalagay nyo. So we will dictate to them what we want published in their magazine since it's free. Why don't we do that? Kasi mataas ang circulations nito, I would suppose, because it's a free magazine. At maganda, glossy to magazine na ito. So why don't we take advantage of that?
My
and also, ma'am, huwag ka magalit, ano? Kasi marami na akong natatanggap ng mga, feedback from other people na pagdating sa promotions, dapat ang pinopromote yung lugar, hindi dapat yung tao. Iwas tayo dun sa personality. We have to promote yung mga pupuntang lugar. Like I said, yung underground river sa Palawan, I think it's 8 wonders of the world ata. Is that considered? Tabon Cave, so many other places that we can feature na maingganyo po yung mga tourists to come over to our country. At i-minimize po natin yung mga festival. Okay, festivals, good. But the tourists will not come to the Philippines because of the festival. They come to the Philippines because of our beaches, the adventure that they can take advantage of, yung mga diving sites, etc. So nakita ko kasi sa isang website ng Philippine Tourism natin, puro mga festival. Kung akong turista, ba't ako pupunta? Ayoko ng festival eh. Of course, may mga tao gusto ng festivals. Di ba? Pupunta sila. Mga tiyatihan, kung ano-ano pa dyan. Sidulog. But hindi po magbebenta sa mga tourist dyan. Ang magbebenta sa mga tourist, yung adventure, wellness, food, etc. Yun ang po advice ko. So lastly, dito po, sige, para makabawi naman tong magazine na ito, balikan nyo sila, sabi mo, this time authorized na namin, ito yung mga magandang tanawin na pwedeng pumunta, i-promote nyo ito. Can you do that?
Senator, unang-una po, hindi po ako nagagalit, nagtatrabaho lang po ako. Kaya siguro po grabe po yung atake sa akin kaya hindi naman ako nagagalit, hindi na ako sumasagot, no. But I just wish to make clear na yung background ko po ay naging mayor po ako dun sa Cebu. Kaya yung manner, yung urgency, yung presence ng pagtatrabaho, ayun po yung background
Okay,
ko.
yes ma'am.
Hindi po ako sanay na magtrabaho sa loob lamang po ng opisina. Nandyan po ako on the ground. In less than 3 years po, nabisita na po natin yung lahat ng rehiyon ng Pilipinas and around 75% of all the 83 provinces of the Philippines.
I agree with you ma'am, totally.
Yeah.
Hardworking po kayo. Now, sabi niyo po, yung sa magazine, wala pong consent niyo, ilagay mukha niyo. How about dito po sa mga airport sa Cebu? Nandito po yung mukha niyo, welcoming the tourists
That's actually not an airport in Cebu. That, I believe, is in Boracay.
in Boracay.
Yes.
Instead po ng picture, like I said,
Yes,
nothing
yes.
personal with you, mama. Instead na, sabi ko kanina, personality, ba't di na lang tayo maglalagay ng mga lugar na pwedeng puntahan na para, like I said kanina, for the end time, maingganyo yung mga tao na, sige, pupunta ko, ang ganda niyan. Di ba parang sa ibang lugar, tulad sa Dubai, if I go to other countries, sa airport pa lang nila, makikita mo nun sa walls yung mga lugar na pwede pupuntahan na you're being invited to go to that place. Huwag kayong magalit ha. Bine-voice out ko lang kung ano yung mga sinasabi ng netizens, kung ano yung nakakarating sa akin sumbong. Now, sabi niyo po, yung sa Korea, wala kayong authorization doon, maging sa airport, may authorization ba kayo na para ilagay yung picture nyo? And then isa pa po, meron ditong promotion na kayo po'y nakasakay sa bangka and you're promoting the Philippines at kayo po'y nakadamit ng mga bulaklakin at sa Lake Cebu ba ito? Ito ba'y walang authorization nyo rin na ilalagay po yung mukha nyo dun sa cover ng magazine na kayo po'y nakabihis at parang nag-invite ng mga tourist?
Senator Tulfo, that photo I believe you're pertaining to is one that was taken during the Philippine Experience Program, Heritage, Culture, and Arts Caravan that the Department of Tourism implemented in the Soc-Sargen region. That is not a promotional material, but that's actually coverage of the activities of the department. That photo was taken at the time when we held the Philippine Experience Program in South Cotabato.
So bakit hindi na lang po model na taga mismo native
Yes.
po sa lugar na yon, nakilala sa lugar na yon? Why you?
That photo was taken during my presence at the
Yes, ma'am,
South
I know, I
Cotabato.
understand.
Yes.
We don't have any fight on that matter. What I'm trying to say is,
But-
someone who's recognized in that community, in that place, yung kilala, kunyari, Miss, kung anong bansa, ano bang lugar po yan?
That's Lake Cebu.
Cebu. Oh, how about
Lake Cebu. Yes.
Lake Cebu in Cebu?
In South
And
Cotabato.
so, how about Miss Cotabato instead of you? Nakilala sa lugar na yan.
Senator
So,
Tulfo, let me clarify
No,
that.
no, ma'am, let me finish
Yes.
first.
Mm,
Kanina hindi kita in-interrupt. So bakit hindi na lang po yung isang native na kilala ng mga tao na kapag nakita nila, maagad-agad maintindihan nila bakit siya nandyan as opposed to ikaw. Isa pa po. Ma'am, these are the things that I'm trying to voice out today. Nothing personal, nothing about you. These are the complaints that my office received, my action center received. They came to me and they talked to me and they told me everything I'm telling you now. Isa pa dito, meron sa isang, ano ba to? Pinakita sa amin na puro nakalagay frasco sa isang, sa Ninolan, Cebu. So, doon sa mga, yung sa mga tabi-tabi na may mga eateries, mga karinderya. So, merong kahabaan, puro karinderya. Sa, I think, sa highway ba ito? So, sa taas, sana inilagay niyo po doon yung mga lugar na pwedeng pasyalan. I'm sure na dadaan dito yung mga turista kasi highway po ito. Sa halip na ilagay niyo po yung karatula doon ng mga places na pwedeng bisitahin, ang nilagay niyo po doon, puro apelyido niyo po. So, kasi ang nangyari, ma'am, ang dating daw sa kanila, parang pinopromote mo yung sarili mo versus dapat yung Pilipinas ang pinopromote mo o yung mga probinsya ang pinopromote mo versus you're promoting yourself. Yun po yung dating sa mga tao. Hindi po sa akin yun, ha? That's not from me, from them. So, ang dating po sa mga tao na you're trying to promote yourself. So, maybe we have to refrain from doing that.
I completely hear you, Senator, and I'm grateful that you have brought these matters to light. But since I have the floor, I would just like to reiterate my position that I have tried to be as present as possible in our destinations and for our stakeholders. That is the extent of the duty that I have exercised and nothing more. I have no national ambition. I'm not running for any national position. And therefore, any accusation of self-promotion would fall flat because I am not running for any national position in 2028. And therefore, there would be no reason for me to promote myself.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm not saying that you're running. Don't put words into my mouth. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, yung po nakakalata yung mga tao na parang pinopromote yung sarili mo for whatever reason. Now, also, ma'am, compared to other countries like Vietnam, Korea, Malaysia, Japan, hindi niyo po nakikita yung mukha ng mga secretaries ng Department of Tourism nila doon eh. Wala. Never ka makita sa tourist materials ng kahit anong bansa na banggit ko, yung kanilang Secretary of Tourism, pinopromote yung mga muka ng mga pictures nila. That's what the
Yes.
people that came to me.
Perhaps if it is the pleasure of the
Yeah.
senator that I no longer visit our destinations or that there be no coverage of the same, we can take that into serious consideration. But as far as I'm,
Of
my
course, ma'am,
understanding,
of course, ma'am, you can
yes.
visit. Why not? Yeah, I would even, people will appreciate you going there so that makita mo on the ground kung ano yung mga kulang, ano yung mga kailangang gawin, etc. But what we are saying here, ma'am, please, huwag mo i-promote yung sarili mo. Pag
I
pumunta
have
ko na
not,
sa isang lugar,
Senator.
kung ano yung mga kulang doon, punahin mo and then punuan mo. Yun po yung point ng mga netizens na lumapit po sa akin. Okay? It has nothing to do about you. It has something to do na may problema at sinasabi lang ko ano yung problema na dapat punuan natin ngayon.
Senator, we would be also very happy to provide your office with all of the promotional efforts that we have made sans my face in the destinations covered in order to indicate that the Department of Tourism has not ever ceased from promoting our destinations, notwithstanding our very, very limited budget.